Whoa. Yes, guys. Yeah. Yes, my people. Ready. What's up? Yeah. It's a beautiful morning. Just a rise up, people. Feel for some peanut plantain porridge. Yeah, some look out some peanut plantain porridge. It was raining last night. Outdoor, I'm gonna cook it still. I'm not gonna cook it in the unfinished kitchen. I'm gonna cook it out here. Yeah, right here. Right here, so I got some coconut milk. Some frozen coconut milk. Natural coconut milk. To go on top. In time I get the fire line up, get the plantain pick. Yeah, everything gonna be nice. Yummy, delicious. Subscribe. Right up here I have green plantain. Yeah, I'm gonna try to pick one of the green plant now for the tree and blend it up with the peanut. Okay, this is what I'm gonna use and pick it. I just stuck the machete in this pipe. Yeah, fasten it. I use it as a stick to cut the plant. I don't want to cut down the whole bunch. I'm gonna cut off one finger with it. Right here. Fell from the tree now. Yeah, nice plant to make some porridge. Yeah. Now we got the plant cut up. We get it out the skin. The peanut fully washed now. Okay guys, so I'm gonna blend up this. This is the preparation stage for the peanut plantain porridge. Yeah, I got some coconut milk here. I'm gonna blend everything with this coconut milk and get it on the fire. Yeah, so I'm gonna blend it inside there. Peanut porridge, plantain porridge, all in one breakfast setting, guys. Now that we have a blended peanut and plantain, yes, thick and creamy. This is the texture we're looking for, guys. We're gonna start up a fire and get it on it. Stay tuned for that. This is the mixture now. Blended in some coconut milk. Get it on the fire now. Yeah. So just wait for that for just boil up. Yeah, so I just get some stick to rise it up a little bit so here can pass underneath it. Fully boiling, guys. Yummy, delicious peanut caramel porridge plantain. No caramel, just peanut and plantain. Whoa. Got that. Yes, guys. Yeah. Ready, guys, ready. Yes, my people, ready. Fire still ablaze, guys. Peanut porridge ready, people. Yummy, delicious. Guys, I can actually smell this boiling now. Seems like it's ready to eat now. Seems like it's ready to digest now, people. Yeah. Look on it. Rich. Time to get it off now. Alright, my people, still a bubble. Look at that. Yeah, this is the texture we're looking for, guys. Yummy, delicious. Can you smell that? Rich peanut porridge, people. Peanut plantain, coconut milk. Alright, let's get it sweet now. Have a little taste. Look at that. Finally got some porridge ready. Have a little taste now. Stay tuned for that. Yeah, look at that, my peeps. Rich, my people. So I got you and finish drink of this before it start to get cold. Fast. I want it to drink it hot. Stay tuned for that.